Malaysia is home to so much diversity, different ethnicities, different cultures, foods, and even religions. We wanted to pay tribute to all of this amazing richness. So we want to communicate this idea through music.
Facial recognition can identify over 27 points that make a person's face unique. We developed an algorithm that collects the most prominent points into 3 key zones. We put this point into a musical transcript. This gives an individual his or her unique melody.
My job is to work with these fine, excellent musicians to take these melodies and put them together into a meaningful, beautiful piece of music. A reflection of the unity that defines Malaysia, a unity that we see every day in our daily lives. It's going to sound amazing.
So we're super excited. We can't wait to show you guys the final product.